Now I'm in the field. Last 2 or 3 videos, I will talk something more about my uncle's home estate, and I will come back again and I will show there those person who are standing in the home estate. And now I'm going to show them again. And today I must teach them something English, inshallah. So stay connected with me and keep some minute to me to learn English. If you are really eager or beginner in English, how can you start speaking? I will teach you this time. Okay? So there is some person behind me. Keep stay. Hello Selim, come. Selim, come to my camera. And this home stair, I show you my last video. And today I'm standing on this ground. But I'm not alone in this video. There are some young guys who are standing beside me. They are behind my camera. They never want to show them their face. But I will show their face. Don't go. This is a hero person because he don't know how to speak in English. But he can stay and he try to speak in English. Hey, don't go. You should not speak. Just focus on my camera.
Focus.
If you try to learn English, I will teach you. Okay? I will speak something in Bangla because I wanna help something to speak in English. So, তোমরা কি ভয় পাইবা না? দেখো ইব্রাহিম যেরকম দাঁড়াইছে, তোমরা ঠিক এরকম ভাবে দাঁড়ায় থাকবা।
পুরুষ, বুঝছো?
কারণ ভয় পাওয়ার কিছু নেই এখানে। যদি ইংরেজি শিখতে চাও, ভয় কাটাতে হবে। ওই যে একজন আমাদের বন্ধু রয়েছে, আমি তাকে দেখাইছিলাম আগের এক ভিডিওতে। আমার ক্লাসমেট ছিল কলেজ লাইফে, এখনো পড়াশোনা করতেছে। তো তোমরা যদি ইংরেজি শিখতে চাও, প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে এইভাবে। But I will see something, but this time I cannot show him because he is out of the world. Okay, so thank you so much. I will come back with another video, new topics. So until that time, watching my video and speaking with me. Okay, thank you.